Hey guys!
Today we are going to show you the best restrooms of Disneyland Paris.
We're gonna show the restrooms that we are very happy to use because the quality of the cleanliness, the smells, the waiting lines, or rather the lack of waiting lines, is most consistent with these restrooms that we're gonna show you today.
Check them out for yourself! And the theming here is great, and also the toilets, the bathrooms, I must say.
Yeah, the restrooms
are good.
Why is it a great restroom? Because of the theming. This is one of the restrooms that they included the theming of the ride and the whole area into the restroom. So it's not a boring restroom. Place de Remy, a great place to.
Are you looking for more fun and informative videos about Disneyland Paris? Check out our other episodes, we know you're gonna like too. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's get back to the video.
Here next to Colonel Hathi's, there's also a toilet that could be
restroom area? Yeah. What goes in?
Let's go out.
Let's go out.
It's a bit hidden, so not many people know it. You walk past it quite easily. So these are the toilets where we are now. It looks like a treasure map actually, what we did here.
X marks the spot.
And the treasure in this case is a clean toilet without any queues.
It's on the route towards Indiana Jones, and then it's on the left hand side. And the good thing about this one, when it's hot in summer, they've got these misters, so you can cool down a bit. It's a good one.
Next on the list for best restrooms of Disneyland Paris are the restrooms next to the Phantom Manor.
Yeah, well, to be closer, next to the Undertaker.
Yeah! Although the Phantom Manor is closed for refurbishment, the restrooms aren't. So you can still use them. There are around 15 toilets inside. It's brand new, so nice tiling, everything. Big Thunder Mountain. Just passing by. Not many people use it because it's not really in the way of walking towards an attraction. So it's probably always quiet. Of course, no guarantees here. But if you want a toilet without queues, you should try this one. Disney Studios. It hasn't got so many bathrooms, and it used to be awful to go to the toilet over here. Now everything changed because here in the
Studio One building,
thank you very much, they refurbished the toilets.
When you enter the Studio One building from the front lot, it's at the back on your left hand side, and
yeah, it's next to
the shop.
To the shop actually, behind the shop.
Yeah.
So it looks great. Everything is new tiling, new doors.
Yeah, and very smelly.
Hey, hello!
Hey, we just got photobombed by a Curious Axel.
Yeah, I'm now off. I don't know what to say anymore about that. So guys, actually quite a good advice if you're looking for toilets in the Disney Studios. You go over here.
Studio One. Can you come with us? We'll go on Splash Mountain. Oh no, that's it in Orlando. Are you coming with us? Yeah, okay.
Next restroom that you must give a visit when you are in a neighborhood is the one across from the Big Thunder Mountain. If you need to go and you need to go badly, this is the place for you to visit because there are so many toilets inside. You have row 1 and then you can walk to the back and there are even more toilets. So the chances are high there are no queues and that's perfect for when you gotta go. Also it's en route, it's across from Big Thunder Mountain, it's close to Adventureland, it's close to Fuente del Oro. So I would highly recommend this toilet if you are here. First one on the list are the toilets next to the stroller rental.
It's probably the first toilet area that you encounter when you enter the park. It's on the right side when you enter the park on the main square, and it's a good one.
Why is it good? There are a lot of toilets. So I'm talking for the ladies now. There are a lot of toilets. It's clean most of the time. Because it's in the Disneyland Park and it's in the front of the park, you come here quite often for all sorts of reasons.
Oh yeah.
So it's very likely that you will use this toilet once you're here in the park.
Same counts for the men's side of the toilet, so it's clean, enough toilets, enough stalls. Yeah, perfect.
Behind us is one of the worst toilets to go to, and it's here in Fantasyland.
Yeah, and why is it so terrible? It's always crowded.
It's obvious because you are in Fantasyland. There are a lot of children in Fantasyland. They all have to go to the toilet.
They all have to change their diapers.
Yes, and there are not so many toilets here.
No, and it's the one most obvious en route, so the one you see first, so everybody goes there. But if you look on the map, there are more toilets here in Fantasyland.
Yeah. There's also one next to Toad Hall. That's a bit better. It's less crowded. But the one here at Pinocchio's, don't go there if you don't have to.
No. If you can hold it up a little bit longer, take a few steps extra and go to Toad Hall.
Well guys, do you agree with us? Are our favorite restrooms also the ones that you prefer? If so, give this video a big thumbs up. Or do you have some other great restrooms that we missed? Please let us know in the comment section under this video and tell us what your preferred restroom is.
This was today's episode. We hope you enjoyed it, and
maybe next time we'll see you in Main Street.
Bye! You can help us get out of this maze by subscribing.
Please don't let us down.
Help us get our subscribers up. Turn on your alerts for weekly new videos.
And push that subscribe button under this video.